Hey, what is up, guys? This is FNH here, and today I'm going to be showing you how you guys can make money from RedBubble.com. So, if you don't know what RedBubble.com is, it's basically it's a website with a bunch of art designs on it, and you can buy different things with those designs on it. So, what I mean by that is basically you can buy T-shirts with specific designs on it. For kids, women, men. You can buy device cases, wall art stickers. I bought some stickers from here before for my laptop. Really good quality, great designs. So the main thing they do advertise is basically their designs, right? Since they do have a really wide variety of designs, and they basically put it on everything. Okay, so you see right here, you can see this tote bag, right? And it has a really nice design on it. And basically, I'm sure you can get this same tote bag with a bunch of different designs that they have. So you do want to look at that. Okay, so that's really good. And also, aside from that, you guys, if to make money, to actually make money on here, you want to go here on the top right. It says sell your art. Okay, so you click sell your art, right? And now you're on this page, and basically it just goes into more detail about what exactly they mean by sell your art and what that includes. So you can see this picture of it. Well, it's a video, but this picture over here, basically there's an image on a phone cover that is someone's artwork on the phone cover. All right, and it's really nice, especially if you're an artist, right? Seeing your design being sold on different items and you making money from that. Okay, yeah, that's really nice to see, right? So the product ranges is basically just what they have, um, the different types of products that they put the designs on. So t-shirts, stickers, device cases, posters, and they have a bunch more. All right, so like pub bags and all this stuff. All right, so the way their pricing system works is, unlike many other sites, Redbubble gives you total control over what you sell your art for. Current Redbubble artists actually earn an average margin of 17% of the retail price, but whether it's 10 to 30, it's up to you. So I guess you can choose anywhere with a range of 10 to 30%. Obviously, you can't sell your art for $1,000 while everyone else is like like a couple dollars. Okay, so yeah, you'll make a good amount. And also the thing about about Redbubble is that you actually own your art. So it's not like you're selling your art to them. It's basically you own it, and they are basically helping you sell it. Okay, they're providing all the services, all the work required for you to sell it, basically printing it on different items, and then actually taking care of the transactions, promotions, everything. They're taking care of that. Okay, so the base price covers their services and the operational costs involved in market, and then that's basically their price. Okay, and then your margin, that's basically where the 10 to 30% is. So if they're selling the thing, the item with your logo on it, right, for $1, right, you can choose to sell it either for $1.10 or $1.30. Okay, and you'll make the 10 cents or the 30 cents, whatever percentage you choose. Okay, you'll get the whole extra percentage. All right, so how does it work? So basically all you have to do is basically create and upload your logo. The transactions are handled by them, the printing is handled by them, delivery is handled by them, and any issues with the product itself is handled by them. So basically you really don't have to do any work, or well, I guess you have to do the main work, which is part of, I guess, getting the design to them, and then the actual work of reaching it to the customer, selling it to the customer, is all on them, not you. Okay, so I mean, in terms of percentage cuts, I do think that's fair, right? They are getting, I guess, most of the percentage of the item. Okay, but that does not mean that it's not fair for you, because you have to take into consideration that you still own the image, right? Your design is still yours, and they have a whole site set up for people coming and buying. They do advertisement for their sites, right, and the different logos on their sites. They have to contact their printing partner. I don't know if they print it themselves or they have another company that prints it for them. They have to contact them to print it, and then they have to also deliver it. Obviously, there's delivering charges, right? They have to do that, and if there's anything wrong with the product, they will deal with it. So you have nothing to worry about. All you need to do is just upload your image, and then you can kind of just forget about it, and then you'll get the check in the mail. So yeah, in my opinion, I think this is one of the best ways to make a decent amount of extra cash at the end of every month, right? Let me know what you guys think. If you guys like the video, make sure to like it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.